Hey everyone, Mr. Smith here for Principal's Couch. I'm not actually on it today. Jerry from Year 4 is on it, and he's going to show me how to solve the Rubik's Cube really quickly. Watch this. Ready, set, go! Concentration, the strategies. Whoa! Let's give him a clap, boys. Excellent. And Jerry has actually been here and he's been helping me try to solve my cube. So anyway, I still haven't got it yet, but with coaches like this, it won't be too far away and I will solve it. All right, bye everyone.
Bye.
See ya.